chairperson, honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow friends. I would like to tell you a story entitled The Misunderstood Wish. Long ago, a king named Solomon cries out, "I summon all the birds of my kingdom to come to my palace. I want to reward them for their loyalty," said the king. They are happy and make their way to the palace. "Now that you're all here, I grant each of you a request as a reward for your loyalty," said the king. The peacock started with her request. "Your Highness, I wish to look beautiful." The king immediately granted her wish. Next, the duck request. "Your Highness, I will want to be a good swimmer." He wished to was granted. Finally, the stork request. "Your Highness, I will want to eat only once in the whole week." The king was surprised, but he still granted her wish. When the stork was looking for food, she couldn't find any. Only on the 7th day did she find a fish. Since that day, storks eat only once a week, and they have lean bodies. Thank you.